wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Devin Karisha Interhabia with student ID number 2024-32068 from the Information System Department. So in this presentation, I will explain the PowerPoint that I have made, entitled Web Scraping and Data Collection. Okay. What is web scraping? Web scraping is the process of collecting data from a website automatically. It helps us collect data faster without copying in manual. This example is web scraping. Okay, and a Python library. Python library is I have three. The first request is to access the website, and beautiful soup is to read and select data from HTML, and pandas to organize data into the tablet and save its CSV. Okay, and that what is the imported data? Data is imported because it helps us make decisions. Raw data needs to be processing, so it becomes clearing, more organized and useful. Okay, what is big data? Big data is large amount of data that keep growing and comes from many sources. It needs special tool so it can be managed and analyzed. Okay, and then the closing is web scraping. Help use collect website data faster and more explicit. The collection data can be processing into use information. Okay. The next in the presentation, I scrap data from the laptop packs. Yes. The data I collected of the product name, product price, and number of review. Okay. The first, I opened the laptop website. That's as the web scraper. After that, I right-clicking of the pack, select Impacts, and open the web scraper. Okay, then I click the Create New Sitemap, and I have named and I create sitemap. Yes. Okay, after the sitemap was created, I click a new selector and to the main product selector. I selector element is table. Use the value of the selector and checking multiply because there were many products. Okay, and this I have this. The first I have the name product. This the name product. I create a name product text and I select this. It's the product name. I scrap is the menu and I don't select it. Okay, this have selector. Okay, so this is in the product price, select, in this, and then select selector, and the review, select, and this select, and we're done. It was the Citimet laptop, and U is the data query. I click Citimet menu and the click start scraping this. After the scraping process was finished, I click the import data. Okay, right. And this. To save result as CSV file and the click. So this CSV and you system laptop and this to export sitemap and you get the JSON format. This. Okay, the next Jupyter. Okay, in the Jupyter, inclusion, web scraper, and scraper of the laptop website using Python in Jupyter Notebook. The data I collected I product name, product price, and number of review. The first I opening Jupyter Notebook and creating a new notebook file and my file Laporan to PBD. After that, I imported and the record library, which is request, beautiful, and pandas. Yes. Then I save the leftover supply into variable curl USL. Okay. Next, I using request get URL to access the website and get the HTML contact. The next, I using request, and after that, I checking the status code. If the result is, it means the website was success access. Then I using beautiful shop with HTML to read and parse the HTML structure. Next, I select all product card using the thumbnail selector because its selected product is inside the class. After that, I creating is the calling data to store the scraping result, and I using for loop to collect the product name, product price, and number of review for each product card. The product name was taken using title, the product is price, and taken using price, and number of review was taken using review count. After all data collection, I creating the list into the table using paddle this in PD data frame, and then in displaying the table to check whether the data with correction. And this is the data is the CSV. Okay, and finally I export the table into the CSV file using the CSV in this. In explosion. Pattern scraping is done by accessing the website, parsing the HTML, selecting the next element, storing the data in the table, and exporting the result into of CSV file. This. Okay, maybe that's all I can explain from the presentation. I apologize if there are any way mistake in my word or explanation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.